Alright guys, so to save you guys some time, I went ahead and did the prep work off camera. So this is what I got. So I'm gonna be making a stew, brown stew. Well, I say brown stew because I'm not adding no brown into it. I'm gonna be doing a stew snapper. Alright, and this is my recipe, guys. I know there's multiple recipes for it, but this is my recipe. So this is all the stuff I got. This is gonna be for the fish, and I'm gonna use some flour, salt and pepper, and some garlic powder to batter it. Then I'm gonna fry it down with the peppers. Then I'm gonna add everything and incorporate everything. It's gonna be good, guys. Just stick around. Alright guys, so now I got my snapper fillets, and then I cut them up in smaller squares. You could use a whole fish, it would be the same process, but I found that this is much easier to maneuver. Besides, I don't like fish with bones and stuff like that. So we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Alright, you're not gonna worry about doing both sides because we're gonna add salt and pepper to the flour mixture again. Just do this so we get a little bit more flavor. Alright, set that to the side. Alright, now we're gonna add our flour, the rest of our salt and pepper, some paprika, some fish seasoning. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and add our fish to this mixture. Just gonna give them just want each one to get nice coat. And like I said, you don't gotta be like double crazy coat. You just want to get a little coat. So what we're gonna deep fry these, or pan fry. This one. Just looking for this. That's it. Put that to the side. So that's the idea, guys. That's what we're looking for. Trying to get all of them nice, even coat. Alright guys, you should have this. Now we're getting ready for frying. Alright guys, now your oil is ready. We're gonna go ahead and place these in. Careful not to burn this off. And I'm used to it by now. We're going to cook these on both sides for 3 minutes. Alright, so we're just going to let those cook for 2 minutes on this side. I'll come back when it's time to flip them. I almost forget to add my 2 peppers. And let those cook with that. You could cut them to get more spice if you want, but I'm leaving them whole. Alright guys, now it's time to turn these. Go and give them a quick turn. All right guys, we got 3 more minutes on this side. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to drain a little of the oil off, and I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. Alright, as you could see off camera, I removed some of the oil, and I'm going to go ahead and add fresh ginger, thyme, I'm going to add my veggies, just like that. Adding some tomatoes. I'm going to add some garlic powder. You guys realize I never use fresh garlic in this one. I use the powder. I got some veggie broth here. You could use fish broth if you got fish broth. I'm using vegetable broth. Then I'm going to add a pinch of sugar, just a little bit. And then while that's going, I'm going to top it off with some fish sauce. Alright, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and incorporate this, mix up everything together, and let it steam. Oh yes, guys. That's what you're looking for, guys. Nice, beautiful stew down. We're gonna cover this for 2 more minutes. Let the carrots and the veggies cook a little bit more. All right, I'll come back when we're ready. All right, guys, now that they're ready, we're gonna go ahead and add our green onions on top. And that's where we're gonna do it. And that's it, guys, ready to eat. Simple, nice recipe, guys. Very flavorful, very colorful, very beautiful.